My name is Todd Lucas. I've been an attorney for about 10 years now. I've been with DePasquale Moore for 8 years and have been our general manager of pre-litigation for about 1.5 years. I actually grew up in St. Joe, just up north from Kansas City. I have a lot of lawyers in my family, and so I always kind of knew, hey, this attorney thing seems kind of fun. So graduated high school in St. Joe, went to Columbia, University of Missouri for law school, undergrad, then actually lived in Columbia for a couple years, and finally moved back to Kansas City where all my family was, and have lived here ever since. I've got 2 kids. One is a 4-year-old and one is a 7-month-old, so they take up a lot of my time, but I love doing that. I love playing, whether it's playing the Barbies with my daughter or pretending to throw the ball back and forth with my son. He's only 7 months, so that doesn't really get us very far. But on my own, I'm an avid golfer, love to play golf, love to play basketball, big Chiefs fan, and then obviously going to Mizzou, big Mizzou fan, whether it's basketball or football. That really just kind of takes up all my time. The most memorable case was actually the first case that I worked on. It was a client who was in a minor car accident. She tried to handle it on her own. The insurance company told her, hey, you're not injured, there's no damage to your car, we're not gonna pay you any money. She called us because that was not true. She was experiencing pain, there was some damage to her car. We were able to get the car taken care of, we were able to get her the medical treatment she needed, and we were able to get her some money for what she had to go through. Got all those bills paid, got her a little money in her pocket, and got her the justice that she deserved. Why I always come back to that case was she talked to us about how we treated her like family. And it was, what I always tell all our new attorneys and every attorney I work with here is, hey, treat these people like they're your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother or your cousin, whoever it may be. And so I think the clients love that, and they see it, and it makes them want to come back or refer their friends to come and hire us as well. A lot of what you do as a personal injury attorney is deal with clients, deal with people on a day-to-day basis, whether that's talking through their problems with them, helping them get what they deserve, the justice or the compensation that they're looking for. But a lot of times it's just kind of being that shoulder for them to, whether it's cry on, yell at, talk to, whatever it may be. That's what I really enjoy, and that's kind of what has continued to make my job as a personal injury attorney something that brings me back every single day. Liar, Liar with Jim Carrey. I loved that movie when I was a kid. I actually, if you see the part where he does the claw with his kids, I will do that with my daughter. Recently, we were actually talking at the dinner table with my daughter, and she's like, Mom, Dad, what do you do? And I said I was a lawyer, and she said the same thing that they say in the movie, oh, you're a liar. And I was like, this is exactly where we're going with this. But I've loved Liar, Liar. It's funny, it's a little more comical, and so I like that. It kind of shows my personality.